we go! Welcome to my Master Unity in C# by developing 5 Super Mario games course. In this course we are going to learn about Unity game development in C# by building 5 Super Mario games. A Dance Dance Revolution Mario Mix game for mobile, a 2D Super Mario Bros. Game for PC and web, a Super Mario Sunshine style Jetpack Joyride game for mobile, a Super Mario Baseball game for mobile, and a Super Mario VR game for the Google Cardboard. We will look at examples of the effects we are going to implement from the real-world Super Mario games, and learn how to recreate these game mechanics and effects within Unity. The Dance Dance Revolution Mario Mix game will be developed for the Android and iOS platforms, and will include 3D game development techniques, building an animated start screen, in-game audio, 3D dance animations, rotating disco lights effect, and pattern timing and coordination. Our 2D Super Mario Bros. Game will feature 7 playable levels, and feature effects like the Fire Flower item that turns Mario into Fire Mario, and lets him throw fireballs at enemies, Mega Mushroom logic that will turn Mario giant and enable him to destroy objects in the game world that he runs into, a level where Mario swims underwater, Mario bouncing on objects like springs and mushroom platforms, and creating a 2D rope that Mario can swing on and jump from. If you're completely new to 2D game development in Unity, this project will give you foundational programming knowledge that you can use not only when building this project, but also apply to your own game projects that you build in the future. If you're coming in with some Unity experience, the 2D game goes deep enough, where you should still learn some new tips, tricks, and techniques to keep you engaged and level you up as a game developer and C# programmer. The Super Mario Sunshine game we build will be a Jetpack Joyride style game in 3D. It will be an infinite runner game that features enemy AI like TD Piranha, Bullet Bill, and Bowser. It will feature power-ups like the Mini Mushroom, which shrinks Mario down, Mega Mushroom, which turns Mario giant, Metal Armor, which turns Mario into Metal Mario and makes him invincible, 1-Up Mushrooms and Fruit, which restore health, and Superstars that clear all enemies on the screen. This game will be designed for mobile, so by the end of this section you will have Android and iOS builds of the game that you can play on a mobile device or virtual device, like an emulator or simulator. Super Mario Baseball will be a 3D game we developed for mobile, which will be in the style of the Mario sports games. Waluigi will be batting, and Critter will be pitching. The player will be able to tap the screen of the mobile device to swing the bat and hit the ball. The 5th and final game that we will build in this course will be Super Mario VR, which will be a 3D virtual reality game that we developed for the Google Cardboard. To do so, we will utilize the Google Cardboard SDK for Unity. The game will feature a main menu that uses gaze tracking for level selection, 3 immersive levels with animated enemies, and teach you optimization techniques you could use when optimizing a game for VR to reduce latency and the number of draw calls that the engine makes. By the end of this course, you will have gone from beginner to expert in Unity programming using C# and have 5 awesome Super Mario video games that you created step by step in this Udemy course.